Good morning, Achieve Charter. Did you notice something special? Today is December. Can't believe it's December already. It's December 1st today. And our virtue this week, perseverance. We're going to be talking about that a little bit more today. But first, we need to do the Pledge of Allegiance. Would you please stand and salute and pledge? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Nice job. You guys can have a seat. So we talked yesterday about how many tries it takes to learn really hard things. And today we want to sing a little bit more of the Never Give Up song to you and talk about some other parts of perseverance. If you started to learn the song yesterday, please sing along with us.
Never give up, never give up. Gotta stick to it, gotta keep trying, never give up. Your first try may be a flop, but be patient and don't stop. Never give up, never give up. Gotta stick to it, gotta keep trying, never give up. Perseverance is what you need. Try again and you'll succeed. Never give up, never give up. Gotta stick to it, gotta keep trying, never give up.
Nice. So it said perseverance is what you need. Try again and you'll succeed. If you keep trying those things, you'll be able to do them. But sometimes when you fail, you just want to give up. You're like, no, that was hard. I think I should actually give up.
Mm-hmm.
So
Cry.
Or cry. Give up or cry. Or
Yeah.
give up and cry. What I want to talk about today is, what do you tell yourself? What kinds of things are you telling yourself so you don't give up? Do you have any that you tell yourself when you're feeling like things are hard and you might want to give up?
I do, actually, and I shared this with my class before, but one thing you guys know about me is that I like to go running. And when I do go out for a run, if I am just feeling really tired and exhausted, but I've set a goal to reach a certain distance, the thing that I tell myself, just like Dory and Finding Nemo, is just keep swimming, just keep swimming. And that's something I tell myself often throughout the day too.
Nice. Just keep running, just keep
Yeah.
running.
What about you, Mr. Wright?
I like the I can do hard things. It's just short and sweet, but I hear kids saying that one sometimes, and I like that one. I can do hard things, I can do hard things, and I just keep telling myself until I get it done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's get some hands up and tell your class, what do you tell yourself when you have to do something that's hard, especially if you've had to try it more than once or more than 5 times? Have a great day, Achieve.